Hello, friends. So it looks kind of Christmassy, but I want you to think that this also could just be beautiful flowers, right? Um, it says Merry Wishes, and I left it kind of generic like that so you could be a little more versatile with it. So let's talk about this layout. There is a little secret memorabilia pocket hidden between the peacock and the white paper. To get that, you're going to need to cut the envelope a little bit. So a couple of things I want you to grab. You need your paper trimmer. You need the envelope from your kit and these two red pieces. Now the envelope, what you're going to do is put that in so that the arch lands right around 1 inch and cut. This little piece has the sticky on it. So we're just going to put adhesive on that. That's going to go down as an accent down here. And then here's the envelope that is then going to get attached to the back of that white page right at the fold. And then that gets adhered to that peacock piece. That's how we're creating that memorabilia pocket. Now these pieces, what you're going to do is put that in at 3.5 inches and cut, turn it, cut it 3.5 inches and cut. And that's how we're going to get these pieces done. So go ahead and get those cut. Before we go any further, let's talk about what comes in your kit. So I cut two of these gorgeous embellishments from the golden greenery die cuts. Then you've got a sheet of punch outs from the Merry Christmas kit, three of the straight journaling pieces, and one that has the arch to it. I already cut these for you. You're going to cut these down to 3.5 inches. And then you've got 5 green pieces and 5 peacock pieces. Let's talk about the layout. Oh, and white, you've got white cardstock that you're going to do some stamping on. Let's do that. So you're going to need some supplies. I've got the Stampin' Spot for Pretty Peacock. So that's what I'm going to use. The stamp set that I'm using is the one that came with this bundle. So you're welcome to come over and use it, or it is still available to purchase. All right, so I am going to stamp. I know you've got a lot of paper here. You can stamp as many of these as you'd like to do. I am going to do, I think I did 3 little and 2 big. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 2, 3. Yes, I did. But you can do a whole sheet of them if you'd like. And I'm stamping them in, again, in the Pretty Peacock. And then what we're going to do is using the blending brush, we're going to go over top of that, and that's how they're going to get that green look to them. So that's all you need, but again, you do as many as makes you happy. And these ones are stamped directly on that white paper. We're going to do that. I would say do that once you figure out where it lands. But if you wanted to do that now, it's about 3 inches up and 1.5 inches from the edge of that white. But I personally would wait until you were, ready to assemble it. So then I'm just kind of adding some color right over top of these, as dark or as light as you'd like to go. And then you're going to use your scissors and cut them out. So let's just run through the rest of the assembly. We've got the peacock with the white on top, the 11.5 by 11.5 white. Again, making sure if you want that envelope to become a memorabilia pocket or extra pictures or whatever you want to go in there, that you attach that to the back of the white. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 3.5 by 5 pieces. These two came in your kit. These two you cut down using your trimmer. I just dovetailed them, and they're not exact, they're not perfect, but just, give those a dovetail. Then your green with peacock, green with peacock, green with peacock. 1, 2, 3. If you've got pictures, go ahead and put them down. If not, just wait till your pictures are ready. So really easy to assemble. Then what I did over here is I've just tucked, this is one that I cut out. These two are ones that I cut out, but these are just punch outs that I've then tucked kind of behind this picture on this page. And then our 1, 2, 3, the Merry Christmas, if you decide to do that, green peacock, then your photo or not, depends on if you've got it, green peacock photo. Then these ones are just whatever, a smidgen down, but you want to keep them about the same length going across this way. So if you use your Versamat, then that's right about 5 3/4 inches up that those pieces are going to fall. I rubbed a little bit of that down here before I added then my 1, 2 pieces here, and then 1, 2 over here with these two tucked behind there, that one tucked behind there. We put that down there. Last finishing touch that I did is I used the olive green Le Pen and just went around the edges doing a double journal line. It also would be kind of fun if you took the white gel pen and did white dash marks around the peacock. I didn't do it on this one, but it certainly would be pretty. But that is Christmas wishes. So that's what I created with the Stampin' Up! Christmas Wishes card kit. I hope you enjoyed this and are feeling inspired to create. I'd love to see a comment. Thanks for watching.